The judicial branch of our government is responsible for making sure our country's laws are in line with our Constitution. The Supreme Court and other lower courts, like the federal district courts and the 13 federal appeals courts, make up the judicial branch of government. Housed in the Supreme Court building in Washington, D.C. is the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has 9 judges or justices. One of these justices is called the Chief Justice, while the other 8 are called Associate Justices. The justices in the Supreme Court are appointed by the President of the United States. After the President appoints somebody to the Supreme Court, they must be confirmed by the United States Senate. The Supreme Court is held in the Supreme Court building in Washington, D.C. Unlike the President, our senators, or our representatives who only serve for a set time, when the President appoints a justice to the Supreme Court, it is a lifetime appointment.